To update the housing agency table under the About Us menu, we can navigate over to that page. This is just a spreadsheet that has been created in Google Sheets, which is a free program, a free app of Google. And I have shared access to that sheet with you to make changes. Now, I want to show you before we go to the Google Sheet that you can make some changes right here on this site. And so if I click on Edit here and hover over the table and click Edit on the table, I will see that this is being derived from the spreadsheet key here. However, when I come down to this list, I could make a quick change if I wanted here in this table. I don't recommend doing that, but I did want you to see that it is available. And the reason I don't recommend it is, one, this is a very small view, and unfortunately we cannot make it larger. And two, it does have hyperlinks as Jeff requested for the website and the emails, and those just get a little hard to edit in this view. So, but you can see here that a couple things have been set to the table. We've set that this table needs a border. We've also, again, directed it to automatically update based on the Google spreadsheet. It's going to sync anytime that Google is updated. It's going to sync automatically. It's going to give you a mobile-friendly view to some degree, and then you can also sort the table. So I'm just going to click Cancel here, but wanted you to see that you can go into Edit here, but I don't suggest that as your primary editing tool. So what I'm going to do is hop over to Gmail and show you how to update this table. And again, I've just sent you permission to edit this, and you can actually invite someone else to do that as well if you'd like. So when you're clicked into your own Gmail account, and you do have to have a Gmail account to use this option, you see these 9 little squares here to the right, and you click once there. These are all of your Google apps, and I'm just going to click on Sheets. And this is basically an online version of Excel. It's very, very basic, but comes in handy for things like this. And so you're going to find the agency list here and click once, and it's going to open that sheet. And again, this looks just like Excel. Now I can just click in the cell or double click, and I can edit the information. And as soon as I make an edit, it's going to tell me up here that it's going to save automatically. So for example, if I just go ahead and typed in right here, we'll just show you how this works. Hopefully this doesn't prove me wrong. So you can see here that the Beckley website is blank. But if I go here and I say that this is the Beckley website, and actually for the website, I'm going to right click and I'm going to tell it, oh, I thought I could, I'm going to use my link up here. I thought I could do that automatically with a right click. What I did is clicked on the insert link button here, and it's telling me that this is the text it's going to display and this is the link it's going to go to. I'm going to click apply. And what you'll see up here is it now says all changes have been saved in the drive automatically. And if I come back to the website and I refresh, and it may take it just a second there to do that. Not refresh yet. It has just a little bit of a delay there, but you'll see that the website will update automatically with the new website. So this is a great little feature to have so that you're not making changes on the website often. Anyway, that is all there is to it. All your changes will save automatically. Your website will update, and you will be good to go to make any changes to that table.